Come run errands with us in Huatulco. Learn where. So I needed 2 little cups for my new coffee maker because they make it a little bit stronger. And I really needed this plastic, you know, for shelf wrapping. I like it like this. And also I got a clear plastic by the yard, and that's to cover and protect the washing machine. And we needed a battery for this. So come shopping with us and I'll show you where we did it. So this is the new cemented street that's behind the market, the 3rd of May market, 3 de Mayo. This is where we went to shop in Portaciones, Veracruz. This street's 1 block long, and that's Carrizal Street. At the corner is a key shop and a photo shop I'll talk to you about. They're very good places to go. This is behind the market. At the end of this block, at where I'm pointing, is the Zocalo, and back in the other direction is this photo shop where you can get government papers. It's very important. You can get prints of your Mexican government papers and documents. Here is the key store where we've always come. You can trust these people. They do good work. And he has this scanner to see if my car key fob is working. Turn right at the key place, and this is Carrizal Street. Go to the end of the block, and this is a good ATM to go to because it will not eat your card. You have to take your card out before they open a little window for you to take your money out. I've known lots of people who had their cards eaten. This is a new concept of an ATM, so I highly suggest it. See where it is? There. Okay, the Import Veracruzano, the new ATM concept, and getting your key fob re-batteried. That's it. Be sure to subscribe and share and hit like to help our channel out. Will you be booking flights, hotel rooms, or a cruise? Use our link below to help us out. Do you need to be able to read your mail while you're living in Mexico? Do you need travel insurance or health care insurance in Mexico? Would you like to book a live chat to answer your questions? Check our links below. Life where?
In Mexico!